In front of me is HONOR X5c Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password from Passwords Manager. Start by opening Settings and scrolling to click on Google section available here. Don't worry, I tested it, it will work. All you need to do is click on All Services. Scroll again, this time to click on Autofill with Google. And finally access Google Password Manager. Now click on any password you want to delete. Enter your screen lock and hit the delete button. Don't worry, it won't delete any account or any app, but it will delete a password from your manager that you can always add it again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!